then what?
No, you have to tell them that you have an ocean.
And they won't allow me to start the vlog. People, hello. So, we've been shopping all day. It's now after 8. We were supposed to go to DC. Not sure if we're still going because we've been shopping in Manhattan. You see me?
Which Manhattan? Up the side, German.
Pharmacy.
Oh. Where's like, German?
I'm tired of we know, so I'm rushing. So I get upset for which we know.
So like,
we start the vlog outside, you know, and how much time I have to cut it off because German they rush up. Just because the sheriff them outside. You know, so we must respect the police, them and every races and all these things, and we shoot if you know reason. So I have to cut the vlog, but anyways.
Yeah, we saw this guy, here when telling girl, this guy was just getting locked up and his girl was there and he was like, love you babe. And the girl was like, love you too. You never hear? Support the criminal.
I'm mad people don't look up there now. Oh,
tell them about the guy.
Oh, probably I know him do something, probably I don't know him do probably to her. Probably I just something happen.
Tell them about the guy at airport. Oh, we did I tell them about it? If like what
guy?
But when I attack me, say me I look upon her. My girl thinks he's looking at me.
Oh yeah, you didn't say it already?
Did I?
Yeah. Alright, so the liquid gels I'm here. So yeah guys, I have a real terrible headache sometimes, like migraines. So sometimes I take Advil because it helps me a lot, and other pills, but those are prescribed pills, so the only ones I can get over the counter is really the Advil liquid gels. So I normally stock up on these liquid gels. Which one am I going to get? I need one real cheap one. I need one with like 400 mg. They ain't have none.
You get it?
Hmm?
Which one you get it?
The Advil, yeah, the liquid gels though. But I'm the back one I always buy. Yeah. This one is too much. This is like $18, not the smaller one. I spend $18 per pill.
I never eat coming at this. 13.
It's a PM one, you know, I don't know if you put me this. Alright. $6 something. This, look, I wonder if I just see something. I like this one I'm gonna take, but I'm gonna see it.
We get to the extra
like I
for mama.
No, up anything.
Only.
Yes, people, so.
I don't understand why we do it for recording.
That may say people always are recording.
You're allowed to record.
I guess German probably scared or something, I don't know, but I'm not. We ain't afraid of the popo. All the popo. Let me see if I write one should take out because I know I'm not to put me to sleep. Mel, why you pop me up? Are two of them a guitar?
Yeah. I think so.
People like this is the thing.
Oh, she is saying something about
guys,
the vlog.
what I was saying is that one thing that I like about Americans is that you would be doing your thing, your vlog, your dancing, or whatever you're doing, and nobody not really pay you no money. Like that, but Jamaica, everybody stuff and I stay in your business and I go and I behave like something wrong with you.
But I think like when we watch the American YouTubers, they have that problem, like people are always staring at them but they just don't care, you know. So we kind of pick up that mentality, so we just vlog. Guys, I don't think we're going anywhere tonight, to be honest. Like, no, we're too far because
cool.
Mad tired, mad sick, mad hungry right now. So we're just gonna head home. We will pick up with the vlog tomorrow or whenever we come on.
Tired.
You don't know, subscribe and show the love and things. Thank you for stopping by my channel. I don't know, it's a girl, Melica Skylife, representing for the team, and we're out. Hi guys, welcome to another vlog.
Don't know.
You don't know, it's a girl, Melica Skylife.
Ocean in the building.
Yo! What are them? These are German and like, yeah.
Drop a look, is there?
Why? So it's there. No, run there for me, don't AC. We can both go in the back, you know, right? Let him show for us. Jeremy, it's fine if we drive in the back? Is it fine if we both drive in the back?
Sure.
Okay. We'll drive in the back. Oops. My bag fell off. Hold this. Oh gosh. Okay, we're in. Yeah, so good morning guys. We're about to head on the road. We are heading to Washington DC right now. We should have been there already. Some people say we are left out around 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock and just a wake up. So this is us leaving now.
Hi people.
The color of the day today is red/orange. Ocean have on our top. Jeremy has on his top. And I have on my red shoes. A little bit of accent there, my niggas.
I have on a dress.
Ocean have on a dress. Me have on a dress.
Not a top, it's a dress.
Yeah.
The face being orange.
So when we're there, I'll check back in with you guys. For the entire day yesterday, for the vlog and everything, I was feeling so sick. I'm feeling better now. I took my vitamin C and my allergy pills, so I'm feeling much better today. Collarbone up on vaping. When I go home, I'm gonna be hitting the gym as usual. No, it's big and serious. Me I hit the gym like a madam mean, cause I've been eating so bad. So that we are there now. Today is kind of a little bit bleak here. Today is the 9th of May. A little bit bleak here. A little bit colder than yesterday. Yesterday the sun was out for the entire day, so we had a good day yesterday. Are we here right there? No, it's not. Something there. So yeah, we're going to the DC Museum. What are you going to?
The African American Museum in DC.
Okay, that's where we're going today. So I'll capture something historical for you guys today. I hope you guys appreciate it and give it a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely show the love. Leave a comment below, and you know, big up on a damn clean self. So I'll check back in with you guys. And bad long time. Some boy only got bad mind. You know, face and me crocodile. Anything me say me, I gotta do me mean. Someone say them bad, but them recognize me. Me don't grab up with man, cause me can't fight. Me love chop up our body and touch and J. You know, sister, they no bad like we. Anything me say me, I gotta do me mean. Someone say them bad, but them recognize me.
Production.
Eh?
Trying to go around the thing, trying to go around the thing, cause you
Okay,
think fair.
I'll sign in.
Friend of me, but got me back anywhere. Where you don't care.
Yeah, hi guys.
You can't get lost.
Reach. Tell me over there.
DC.
Really, what different parties?
We're in a DC.
Okay. Oh, maybe separate Baltimore. So we reached DC, guys, but I must say we're underground at the parking lot down here. Cool, like I said, up at top of there. Cool. We don't have this in Montego Bay. I know that, like the part that we have at Bay West,
Underground is just so cool.
it's so hot. They say you have to turn off your car as soon as I go down there. Down here, so cool. I think Jamaica needs to invest more into parking like these. They save a lot. cut out the congestion.
Hello?
Cut out the congestion.
What's up?
So.
Yeah, sorry, but I'm
I
not
think I
sure.
know that's better. Okay.
Scary movie.
Yeah, here. You have your checks, go through security. You're at the music. So guys,
Comes and border protection.
I just like me have thing them just like in the airport. You show them? Like we stop them in a scan. We just passed the monument up the road and
If I was into like that.
we just passed the monument up the road and it just dawned for me. I say, I them place Martin Luther and them and they walk, you know. Martin Luther when give speech up the road.
We can go at them have one. My area just leave them alone.
Martin Luther?
Yeah.
That's my G, you know? Why we angry and I think four, okay, hurry up, 3, 2. You tell me funny phone that they be just wanna get busy. You tell me the funny phone that they be extra busy.
Exactly.
You know?
Extra busy. They're like, my face.
So we are gonna go to the museum now. I'm gonna turn around the camera and show you guys what's happening. Push off. Show you guys the museum and stuff like that. Where Martin Luther would have given speech. Come and also somewhere around near that thing.
No, not that so.
Like maybe up the road or down your road.
What?
Martin Luther?
I have to put fire.
Guys, we just had to run across the road like crazy. Fire truck was coming. Check it out, our woman at the road truck was wicked. Auntie. Check out the artwork, guys. They really put a lot of time into it. Really.
Crossover.
See, you just want to be the
Thank you.